Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari could not install the profile due to an unknown error. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to install any profile on your iPhone, you might see the error that Safari could not install the profile due to an unknown error. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go back and you can try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. You have to make sure that your network or your internet is working well. If you might see any kind of error here, so you can try to disable your network. You can try to connect with a different and the strongest network connection. Then go back and open your settings app. And settings, go to general, go to VPN device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnecting, you have to go back, go to date and time. You have to make sure that your date and time is set it correctly. If you find the error that your date and time is not set it correctly, so you can try to disable this toggle. Then select your time zone from here. Just select your time zone based on your location. Then enable this toggle again to set your date and time automatically. And once you have done, just go back. You can try to go to your app section. Look for your browser or the Safari app here. Just scroll down and look for the clear history and website data. Select this option. Select all history, then tap on clear history. So it will clear your history and all the website data you have in your browser. So it will clear all the junk files if there's consist. Once you have done, just go back and you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just gotta use the Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed and now you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.